Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the Vue.js and how I can working up with the Bootstrap. And in the Vue world it's called bootstrap-vue, and you can see all of this playlist will handle about how you can work with the Bootstrap-vue. And in this video I will show how I can go up and running from scratch, basically starting the first Vue project and then add the Bootstrap on it. So let's start. And before we are starting, I will just hope you want to subscribe this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions about this video, please make a comments below. I'll be very happy to answer you. So I think it's time to starting up the video now. The first thing we gonna do now is just say Vue, create, and then the app. The app is the name on the application. We just use app, but I can see it doesn't recognize Vue, so I just need to install the Vue in the global wise. If you get the same error here, that's meaning you don't have Vue global installed. So let's install the Vue CLI on the global wise. And then you say npm install, and then we need G as a global, and then we need to say Vue CLI. This is the newest Vue. If you're working with the Vue before, you probably just have installed the Vue that's Vue 2 and below, and this is a Vue 3 and up. So that's what we want to install it, and just waiting until it's done. And when you are finished, you have this screen. And so let's do it again. Say Vue, create, and then the app is the app folder. We will get it up here, and then you say about we want to be we just say yes, that's fine. And here we want to define what we want, and we just say manual selection. And what we want to do, it's lint formatter off. I don't like that. And we add the root because we need it, and the vuejs just for fun, and CSS pre-processing. That's fine, and that's what we want. I don't think we need more. I just put it up here. And yeah, that's what we want, and this too. So that's what we want to do. And it asks about is need to trying to fall back in the history. We say yes, and we just say node says, and it's the dependency configuration file, and we just say yes, and that's recording conf. Then it's installing the project again. I will minimize this a little bit again. Yes, and here we go. Just waiting one more time. And when we are finished, it's saying we need to go inside the app. That's the folder, and then we say npm run serve. That's how we working with the server, and we just say that's fine. And let's going to the browser now and say localhost, and then we say 8080, and now we have installing the basic of Vue.js. Now we're going back for the editor, and in the editor we can put it out here, and we will stop this one. We'll terminate it, and then we want to install the bootstrap and the bootstrap-vue. For that we need to say npm install s, and then we say Vue. Sorry for me to say bootstrap, Vue and bootstrap. That's what we want. And then we one more time waiting until it's finished to download and installed into our npm package, and it's taking us so long time. And now we can going in the source file. In the source file here, it's where we got the configuration. And we need to import the bootstrap. So let's import the bootstrap here. Import bootstrap view and the icons plugin from bootstrap. I just need to see about I have installed this correct. Icons plugin bootstrap Yes, I think that's correct. Then we're going down here, and we need to say we use bootstrap. That's meaning we can call the bootstrap elements of all, and we need the same from the icon. So we say icon plugin here. And then before it will be finished, we basically need the style sheets, and for that we need to import bootstrap, dist, css, and bootstrap css, and just copy this line because it's almost the same. Just need to replace this with Vue and here, and it's basically how it's working. And then let's starting it up again to see how it's working. We will going back for the browser and see everything has changed, and we having a problem here, and that's because it's not almost the same. I need to remove the CSS here, and let's going back for the browser, and now you can see we have bootstrap enabled. Maybe not, it depends on about you have seen bootstrap before. So let's going back and prove we have bootstrap here, and we have the views, we have home and about, we have the app. So what we're gonna do, it's saying the home, it's having up here, and the only thing we want to say here, it's the button, and hello world at variant succeeds. Let's say that this is the variant of the button, and we don't have any style here, and we want to remove this. We don't need it. We just keep it because in the next movies I want to work with the subdirectories. So yeah, that's fine. Let's going back for the browser and see how it's working. You can see hello world, and we have a nice button from Bootstrap now. So congratulations, you have your first Bootstrap installed theme inside the Vue.js framework. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. And if you know, you can basically just subscribe to the channel. You can subscribe it to going down in the right corner and pressing that thing. I'll be so happy. And if you want, you can push the comments to me, and I'll be very happy to answer you. If you like this video, please like it with the like button, with the thumbs up, and then you can share it with your friends and add it for your playlist. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next video.